Well, I've been cracking on it. Motor is out. It's actually pretty easy. It's a lot easier when you're not trying to do it nice, so you can just cut everything. So manual trans, motor, gear oil all over the place, antifreeze all over the place. This motor has some weird little vapor box thing on it. Before I took it out, I thought it was an air pump. I don't know what the point of that thing is. It has air pump tubes running through it, but there's no air pump. Feedback carb I don't need, so no, I don't need any of these emission stuff. Just put the transmission in the long block I'll hold on to for when one of these eventually blows up. So next up, I want to rescue the seat belt for the yellow one. Check out the Rusty Jones. Then I want to take the gas tank out for the yellow one because it's leaking on some hills. I got the weird little center console out for the orange one. I want to take the dashboard out and then hopefully get someone to pull this windshield out for me because I have no idea how to do this and I'll just end up breaking it. But yeah, this thing's almost all the parts almost out of this thing that I need. So hopefully it's gone soon. If anyone's too worried, you'll be able to tell here, this thing is really not worth saving. Those people have said it doesn't look that bad. Trust me, it really is. The rust is terrible in it. There's no floor from the dashboard to the rear seat. So don't feel bad. Its parts will live on.